friends, my name is Kenneth De Cruz and welcome to my channel Train Your Brain. Hello friends and welcome to my first video of solving Rubik's Cube, and this is my collection of Rubik's Cubes. This is 2 into 2 Rubik's Cube. This is 3 into 3 center cube. This is 3 into 3 corner cube. This is 4 into 4. This is 5 into 5. This is 6 into 6. This is mirror cube. This is cylindrical. And this is Mastermorphics. So friends, we are starting with 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. Now are you ready with your 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube? So friends, first we will match the white face. So friends, here is one white piece and with a red piece and green piece. So I will search for white and red or white and green piece. Where is red and white? Here. Here is one white and red piece. So I will take this white to here. Red and red are matching and I will keep this white on my right hand. So I will take this white up here. I will twist it here, then this and this. And as you can see, 2 white are matching and 2 red are also matching. Now I will search for white with blue or white with green. So let us turn the cube and see where is white with blue or white with green. Where is here one piece, but green is at the bottom. We don't want this. Here we can see one blue on top and one white piece here. So friends, I will simply turn it to my left hand, and here blue and blue is matching and white and white is matching. So now we are searching for white and orange or white with green. Let us turn the cube. Where is one more? Here. As you can see, here is one white with orange. We'll simply turn it to orange with orange. Now we'll twist it down and twist it with white and white. And now you can see the white face is complete and the first row is also completed. Now here is the algorithm. Follow the steps to complete the yellow face. Now keep this yellow on our left hand and follow the algorithm. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right. Here, then we will do this step once again. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right. And as you can see, we are having only one yellow here. So we'll keep it on our left hand and we will do the same algorithm once again. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right. One more time. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right. And as you can see, our yellow face is completed. Now as you can see, our top row is not completed yet. Now follow this algorithm to solve the top row. R, F, R, back, then R, F, R, back, then 2 times down and here, and it is completed. Friends, I hope you liked my video. And now you can solve this 2 into 2 Rubik's Cube. If you like my video, so then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to learn my other Rubik's Cubes, so then keep following me.